What up, what up? This is Music Review Fridays with Zimbabwe Kid. As you can see, I'm not at the store right now. I'm not at Best Buy. I'm not at CD Source getting some new CDs. But I went through my collection and I have an album that I recommend for you guys to listen to. It's a great album, man. These are my dudes. Plow, 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 plow. Them Southern Folks. And the album is called The Message. DSFZ. The Message by them Southern Folks, man. This one right here is a good album. I won't even do a song to song review because I'm sure you guys haven't heard it yet. But man, you really should listen to it. Go to myspace.com/them Southern Folks. DEM Southern and then Folks FOLKZ. And man, this is a great album right here, man. You'll love it, for real. It's got Royce the 5'9", Skinny DeVille of Nappy Roots, and many others. Man, it's got a live feel to it, real instruments. Man, some of that good hip hop, man. Infusion of some jazz, infusion of some gospel. Man, it's just a really good, solid album. So yeah, check it out. Them Southern Folks, The Message. myspace.com/them Southern Folks. And this is Music Review Fridays with Zimbabwe Kid. Till later, Zimbo Nexus, peace.